Right. So we're now on source 3 of our performance task on the development of Neanderthals. And so again, as I read this, we're thinking about how Neanderthals developed. Because that's, as of right now, that's what we think we're going to be writing about. So source 3 is why study Neanderthals. All right, first section, crossing paths. Many studies suggest that Neanderthals disappeared about 40,000 years ago. Studies also suggest that modern humans started to appear in small groups about 45,000 years ago. This means that Neanderthals and modern humans may have lived together in Europe for more than 5,000 years. This amount of time allowed the two species to share ideas, cultures, and genes. It is important to understand how this time influenced modern human development. So that's kind of the introduction for this article, and it's about how it's basically going to be comparing and contrasting modern humans to Neanderthals. All right. So what's this source about? That's right. They're going to be comparing modern humans to Neanderthals. So this is definitely going to be part of how Neanderthals developed. All right. How are they similar? There are many similarities among Neanderthals and modern humans. Researchers have discovered that Neanderthals and modern humans are similar in appearance and behavior. They have the same posture and foot structure. They also have the same basic structure and function of limbs. Neanderthals' brain size is similar to modern humans' brain size. Neanderthals relied on their physical structures to survive in cold climates they lived in. All right, so what are some ways that Neanderthals and modern humans are alike? That's right. Okay, let's keep reading. Neanderthals and modern day humans also shared similar traits in their behavior. They both made stones into tools, controlled fire, and relied on meat for survival. Hunting was a main source of food. Both groups ate meat, fish, plants, and vegetables. Neanderthals used tools such as spears to hunt. The style of hunting tools was developed over time, but the purpose of their use stayed the same. All right, so again, what are some ways that Neanderthals and modern day humans were similar? Okay. Both species shared basic language abilities and culture. Some scientists thought Neanderthals could not speak. However, one discovery proved this to be wrong. In 1983, a Neanderthal skeleton was found. In the skeleton, there was a bone in the throat that was directly related to the structure of the human throat. This proved that Neanderthals had basic language skills. Humans use these basic language skills and develop them further into more complex speech. So the last paragraph in this section, one big way that Neanderthals and modern humans were alike, what was it? That's right, their basic language skills. All right, now we're getting to the differences. How were Neanderthals and modern humans different? There are a few differences between Neanderthals and modern humans. The main difference in appearance is that Neanderthals were stronger and more muscular than the average human today. Researchers discovered they had large muscles and large, long faces with sloping foreheads. They also had larger noses than modern humans. So, what was a big difference between Neanderthals and humans today? Yep, Neanderthals were stronger. All right, linking past and present. While some people believe the past is not important to our current way of life, one can see that it has influenced present day lives. Researchers studied the past to learn about our ancestors and where they came from. The way modern humans think and act is an effect of Neanderthals. Many genes, such as ones found in our skin, hair, and nails, are rich in Neanderthal DNA. We share common characteristics that show why we look the same and behave similarly. The Neanderthals paved the way for modern life. Since their disappearance, modern humans have used their way of life as a starting point to develop and change as humans. All right.